Girl, I only got 3 hours of sleep. Not that you care, because baby, you on spring break.
But I gotta be strong, girl. You did me wrong. I thought we were really down. I thought we were down. See the differences, I run businesses. If I ain't employ you, then what your business is? I have staff roll up like what the business is. Oh, you don't know that my niggas kill witnesses? But girl, don't da. 100 rounds on it, da.
Good afternoon, people. It is definitely a Mercury retrograde. I stayed up until 7 o'clock this morning, taking out my hair and making sure it was washed because I had an appointment today. Today is Sunday. I had a hair appointment. I know most of y'all are probably like, girl, the shops don't be open on Sunday. Girl, when I saw this, I took it. So, of course, that gave me probably about like, 2-3 hours to sleep after I finished washing my hair, blow drying it. Why am I 1 minute away from my appointment and this girl said she's on spring break? She has to send me back my deposit because she's on spring break and she's not available to do my hair until Tuesday the 9th. Baby, I'm not booking with you again. No, bam. You don't ever hang it up. You don't ever have to worry about me booking with you again. Are you crazy? When it comes down to my hair, canceling appointments is just not one thing that we can, oh no. Like, if y'all really see what my hair looks like underneath this freaking bonnet, and you're gonna go cancel my appointment, ma'am. This son of a... I can't stand these people up here. Had me drive all, like, first of all, got up out of my bed. Girl, I only got 3 hours of sleep. Not that you care, because baby, you on spring break. And then I gotta work tonight. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that ruined my plans. But shoot, at least I get to get something to eat. I'm happy I get to feed myself. And she did give me back my deposit, but she trying to message me. Girl, once I got that deposit money back, we ain't got nothing else to talk about. And then I've been had my appointment booked since March 27th. So how could you say, oh, I thought that I had my books blocked off? Obviously they weren't, if I was able to book with you. Did you not receive a notification that I was able to book with you? I'm just so, I don't know. Baby, you don't ever have to worry. If you ever see this video and you know who you are, you don't ever have to worry about me booking with you again. All right, so we're trying to find a solution. I'm trying to see who could be available to do my hair today. I know it's so short notice, but my hair looks crazy. Oh, I do not want to look like Harriet Tubman for a whole week. This is why I do not book appointments. Oh my gosh. We're gonna live in the solution and we will find someone today. We will find someone today. Hello, beautiful people. Not too much on the hair. I did the best that I could. To say that I do not know how to braid on the scalp, your girl did a good job, okay? But I'm pretty sure, I think I'm gonna insert the clip where I let y'all know what's going on with this for this maintenance vlog. Yeah, we got an appointment Sunday. But as you all know, I'm about to get into waxing and I'm not even gonna ramble. This is a no judgment free channel. We do not judge over here, okay? I don't know what happened the last time I waxed. I don't even know if I did wax last time. But these underarms are hairy. And I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. But your girl been working and time just flies by and then I just go to sleep. But like I said, do not judge me. This is a no judgment channel. We do not pass judgment over here. Okay? So let's go ahead and get into waxing these underarms.
Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only make me your matter, make me your matter, make me your matter.
Y'all, I'm bleeding. That's how you know I had to have missed my last wax. Y'all see that? And I don't think I let my underarms dry. That's why my wax was breaking off. Because I'm not gonna edit that out. It happens, it happens. But we're gonna go in one more time because I wanna make sure that this does not happen again. So clean this up. I'm real deal bleeding. And we're gonna go in again. Clean them up. I got everything that I needed to get off of this side. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. Then we're gonna be moving on to the next one. I think the next one is gonna be, that's the one that I'm very much concerned about. Cause when I looked the other day, I'm like, not my hair is looking back at me saying, hey, what's up, hello.
You are my everything. Only me and you.
Your girl is back. Woo! I don't know how I did that. Check in with y'all at my next maintenance appointment. Hello, beautiful people. It is a bright, beautiful Sunday. And I think the last time I picked up my camera was when I was waxing, I believe. As y'all can see, my hair looks crazy. I'm not getting anything spectacular. I just told her just to give me some Clio braids because I just need something for about a month until I get my hair done for my birthday trip. So yeah, that's all I'm about to get is some Clio braids. Nothing spectacular, but y'all come with me to my hair appointment.
Run up on Big Glow, you won't, I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carbon hit like Mayweather, Tula come through and blow a hoe. Got millions out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back end coming, fuck em, I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out of parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just bird shoot. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just bird shoot. Tag low, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell talk. Tag low, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Tag low, two-tone Cartier match nails, ho. Tag low, no competition, these bitches stay a hoe. Tag low, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Tag low, say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Tag low, keep running circles around these snail holes. Yeah, go. And my shit pumping up in the jail hole. Pick up where you been at, mine. Evan Brown working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck. Got M&M's in my garage. Quick to crank up on the hoe. You bitches better not get me started.
You guys, my hair is back. We got something real simple, real clean cut. She got me right. And you already know, like I said, I need something quick and easy because this is just gonna last me until my birthday trip. Okay, so I'll check in with y'all when I get to my next appointment. I am back, and right now my face is way overdue for a facial. So your girl is about to wind down. Had a long day, so we about to get into some self-care. Alexa, play my self-care playlist.
Damn, Mike, you a fool for this one. Skies fall, not even if boss should call. The world seems very small, 'cause nothing even matters at all. See, nothing even matters. See, nothing even matters at all. Nothing even matters. Nothing even matters at all.
Your love makes me go 10 feet tall. Without it, I go through withdrawal. 'Cause nothing even matters at all. Nothing even matters. Nothing even matters at all. Nothing even matters.
These buildings go out to sea. Some natural catastrophe. Still, there's no place I'd rather be. 'Cause nothing even matters to me. See, nothing even matters. See, nothing even matters to me. Nothing even matters. Nothing even matters to me.
I sometimes have a tendency to look at you and need to see, baby. 'Cause nothing even matters to me. Nothing even matters. Nothing even matters to me. Sit it down, baby.
Now you won't find me at no store. I had no time. Manicures with you, it's never either or. 'Cause nothing even matters no more. See, nothing, it don't matter.
Let it be beautiful.
This is the final product. My face definitely need that. I think in the next maintenance I'm gonna do a little bit of extractions because I see some friends that are trying to come on my face, and baby, y'all gotta pay some rent if y'all coming to live on this face, okay? Nothing is for free around here. So yeah, you guys, this is the facial. Y'all see how face is glowing? Oh, this is the end of the video. I hope that you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.
One like a shot, she my love vibe, my love, Bad girl, don't run